Praise be to God. Daily One Missionary Biography. Today's missionary, Vincent Ferrer. Date of birth 23/1/1350. Date of death 5/4/1419. Native place Valencia. Country Spain. Place of vision many countries. A Moorish king heard about the miracles of a saint and wanted to prove his religion wrong. He invited the saint to his city and asked him to preach. Although the saint spoke in Spanish, miraculously everyone in the court understood every word he uttered in their own language. After 3 sermons, 8,000 people of the city accepted Lord Jesus Christ and took baptism. The saint was none other than Vincent Ferrer, a man with many spiritual gifts. Born to noble parents in Spain, Vincent led a spiritual life from his childhood. At a very young age, he joined the order of preachers and memorized the entire scriptures. It was a difficult time for the church with disputes and divisions among the leaders. Vincent tried his best to heal the differences within the church. After a severe illness, which almost took his life, Vincent found his true calling and became a missionary. For 20 years, he preached all over Europe, Spain, France, Ireland, Belgium, Germany, Scotland, and Italy. He was a gifted preacher who often gave his sermons outdoors because no church could hold the huge crowds that came to hear him speak about God's love and forgiveness, sin and judgment. People used to sigh and sob for their sins and commit themselves to live for Christ. He preached among the Jews and people of the Moor community and led thousands of them into the faith of Jesus Christ. Vincent was a simple man and accepted nothing for himself. Many gave their possessions to him in honor, which were used for the expansion of the gospel. He was so full of God's power that he is known to have cured innumerable sick people and also have raised the dead. His ministry reflected that of Jesus Christ. Beloved, are you serving God in the fullness of His power? God bless you.